I will not speak. Caves in which to hide defiled words. As from now, I will not speak. I will not speak when I hear these things. When I hear bitter words, I will not speak. I will not speak when words pierce the sky like bullets and voices glitter with hatred. I will not speak. I will be dumb. I will be silent. I will be dead. My words have died a painful death, murdered on the pavement, slaughtered in the streets, crushed along the path to the empty tap, silenced by the roar of the fax machine. I will not speak. Measured in cases. I wield nothing in my hands, but there is hunger on the jacketed face. There is a wound on the academic face. There is a contour on the childish face. Faces denied even a diet of words. I will be silent. I will not speak even when flames engulf the clouds of conscience. I will not speak these things. I will be dead, silent. I own the shy tongue, cowed down by the demand of the times. I walk down the street, silent, listening to hard words from dry lips, with shrubs of death sprouting anew towards another death, another funeral.